Hey y'all. So today we are going to be making chicken salad. These are all your ingredients. You are going to need a full chicken. I just picked up a rotisserie chicken from at my local Brookshire's. I've got some celery stalks here, some grapes, salt and pepper, mayo, cutting board, and just all of my mixing utensils. And I have a bowl. First things first, you just want to grab your chicken. So now we are just shredding some of the chicken. We're just taking it off of this big bone thing here. Chicken.
Have you ever thought about the beginning of your rotisserie chicken? For just 19 cents a day, you can help these chicks live a better life. And for no money at all, you can go vegan. Sponsored by PETA.
Alright, now that we've got all our chicken shredded, we're gonna take it and place it into the clear bowl. Don't need that.
Disgusting.
Moving on. We have our celery here. Get your knife. You know, don't go too crazy, but just crazy enough. You may want to grab a few more stalks. And you're just going to take that and you're going to put it in the bowl with your chicken. Moving on. Red, purple grapes, I don't know what. Don't worry, the dog will get it. Now we're just going to take these grapes and cut them in half.
Taste the rainbow.
Now that we have our grapes halved, we're going to place that in the bowl with the chicken. Now we're going to crack a little salt and a little pepper. What the? Forget salt. What the heck? Okay. Don't crack some salt. If you're on a low sodium diet, I recommend you skip this step. Now you're just gonna throw some mayonnaise in there. We're trying. Spoon, and you're just gonna combine all of that. So now we're just gonna test the flavor on a cracker.